Welcome to the visualfractions.com YouTube channel and this tutorial on how to multiply fractions, specifically 1/15th by 1/51st. In this case, the first fraction has a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 15, while the second fraction has a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 51. To multiply fractions, you simply multiply the numerators together and then the denominators together. Multiply 1 by 1, which gives us 1, and then multiply 15 by 51, which gives us 765. So, 1/15th multiplied by 1/51st equals 1/765th. That's our final answer. It's important to note that 1/765th is already in its simplest form. And there you have it. You've learned how to multiply 1/15th by 1/51st. Multiplying fractions is that straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more math tutorials. Thanks for watching.